crucial step in the process of selling your home is preparing it for sale. It can help you get the most value from the effort you put in and increase the likelihood of receiving offers soon after listing.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm your host, Alex Estevez, and in this video, I'm going to provide some tips on how to get your home ready to really impress potential buyers.
First impressions are everything. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Remove any personal items such as family photos or memorabilia. This will help potential buyers envision themselves in the space. Next, focus on the kitchen. This is often the heart of the home and can be a major selling point. Make sure the kitchen is clean and organized. Consider updating hardware or painting cabinets to give the space a fresh look. Bedrooms should feel calm and inviting. Remove any excess furniture to make the space feel larger. Consider updating bedding or adding a fresh coat of paint to the walls. Bathrooms should be sparkling clean. Make sure all surfaces are wiped down and free of clutter. Consider updating fixtures or adding new towels to give the space a spa-like feel. Finally, don't forget about your outdoor space. Curb appeal is important and can make a big difference in a potential buyer's decision. Make sure the yard is well maintained and consider adding some potted plants or flowers to add some color. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to preparing your home for sale. Remember, first impressions are everything. Make sure your home is ready to impress potential buyers.
So now you know how to make your house look great in order to get it sold. But do you know how to get it sold fast? No worries. I have a free report you can download via the link below.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss a new video.